Okay, so the title, correct title is making predictions. So we use line graphs and scatter plots to make predictions. Okay, what we did yesterday with the frequency table, we can use that to make predictions too. In this example, it says the table shows how many successful free throws Brett made. Make a line graph and predict how many successful free throws he will make in 8 minutes. So we're using a line graph to make a prediction. All right, so we have the time here, which is down here, as you can see right there. Stop tapping, please. So the time in minutes, there's 0, 1, 2, all the way to 8 minutes. And then we have the number of successful free throws from 0 to 8 or 0 to 4 minutes. So we basically plot it, right? It goes 0, 5, 10, 15. You have to remember too, when you're making a graph, both axes, the x-axis and the y-axis, the intervals have to be consistent. Okay, you need to make sure the intervals are consistent. So you can't go 0, 1, 10, in other words. So make it by 5s, make it by 2s, make it by 3s, whatever you need to do, but keep it consistent. The time, of course, is going to be consistent because it's every minute. So here you can see in 1 minute, he made 5 successful free throws, right there. Okay, 2 minutes, he made 9. So they put the dot right underneath the 10. Okay, so you plot all the dots, all the free throws, and then based on this, based on the plotting, what you can do is make a prediction. So if you were to draw a line, it would basically look something like that, which is the dotted line. So the dotted line is a prediction. So from here to here, from 0 to this last point right here, you could use a ruler or a straight edge and draw a straight line, which I think I can do here. Yep, good. Draw a straight line, and then you can make your predictions. Okay, and you use these 2 points. Use the first point and the last point to connect the line. And then whatever is on that line out here is what you can do to make predictions. So you can predict at 5 minutes he'll make roughly how many free throws? 20. Good. Or 19. Looks like it's right underneath it. Okay, at 6 minutes, how many free throws?
22 and a half.
You can't have 22 and a half. So roughly 22, 23. Okay, what about at 7 minutes?
26.
26, 27. And then what about at 8 minutes?
30.
30, maybe 31. Okay? So the question is, predict how many free throws he can make in 8 minutes, and there's the answer, 31. Okay, so 30 or 31 would be fine because you're just making a prediction. Yes, Gretchen?
So I know like you just use the graph, but on the graph on the left side, couldn't you just add up like 4 plus 12 plus 5?
Oh, so you mean add all these up and then divide by 4?
No, I mean like, since it said in 8 minutes, you can add the 4 minutes one, and then the 3 minutes one, and the 1 minute one.
Ah, okay. I see what you're saying. So yes, that is one method that people can use, but it's not very accurate. Because it looks like, I mean, from 0 to 1 minute, 5, 1 to 2 minutes, 4, 2 to 3 minutes, 3, and then 3, and you don't know if it's going to keep going down because as time progresses, maybe he gets a little tired, right?
Because I add up those and it's like 32.
Okay. So yes, there are different ways of finding like the average, but that's not what we're doing right now. We're using the graph, which is right here, to make a prediction.
Okay.
Yes, Abby?
Since it's like, oh, never mind, that doesn't work. So I was going to say, since it's 8 minutes and 4 was 15, I was going to say you could just do 15
You
times 2.
just
Yeah.
double it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what I was just saying. But that's not.
That's a possible way of doing it, but when we're talking about, let's say, over 50 minutes, making longer predictions, that won't really work. Yes, Hannah? Oh my gosh.
Well, I